Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on an 18 by 24 canvas. I've got the white acrylic already poured onto my canvas and bubbles blown out. My sweetheart got me a new box of paint, Arteza's the Iridescent Premium. And the colors I'm going to be using are Glowing Peach, Royal Purple, Fairy Tale Blue, Dreamy Lemon Yellow, Shady Orange, Fiery Red. Really nice colors. Okay, I pre-mixed them, so we're ready to go. This will be probably a pretty quick video, even though it's an 18 by 24. I'm just going to lay some color down and blow it out. So let's start with some purple. The Iridescent Purple, which I should probably leave this out front here so I can read it. I believe this one is the Royal Purple. Hopefully it doesn't block your view too much. And I'm just going to drizzle it all the way along. Try and use up as much of what I've pre-mixed, because this is a pretty big canvas. Okay. Now this one is definitely the Fiery Red. These are really nice colors, and I know they are iridescents. I think they are transparent colors. I think those work excellent for a Dutch pour. I could be wrong, I'm not a pro at this. We'll see once I blow it out how it looks. Okay. Let me put the lid back on this purple, because even though the cup's almost empty, I'll still spill it and it'll land on the carpet and, you know, fun times. Alrighty, and then this one is the Playful Pink. I've been doing a few videos with the Arteza, and it is really nice paint to work with. It's a little pricey though. Okay, so now we've got, this one is the Fairy Tale Blue. No, this one is purple. This one must be the Electric Plum. Okay. This one's the Fairy Tale Blue. I'll start at this end. Okay. Now we've got the orange, which is Shady Orange. I'm just going to go right down the middle. Okay. Now the last color I'm putting on is the shocking, no, not shocking. It's the Dreamy Lemon Yellow. Okay. I'm going to move this box out of the way now. And let's put some white down to flood it out a little bit. It's going to get a little noisy in here with my blow dryer going. Okay. Here we go. Well, there's another blooper. I always have a blooper in my videos. Blew that right up onto the painting. Okay, I'll let that sit for a second or two. Look at the cells happening. This is going to be a very pretty painting, I think. Okay, without me trying to wear half of this, let's do this. Wow, there's some gorgeous colors in there. Okay. I'm going to bring down my little air compressor, my airbrush I should call it, and just blow out a couple of these edges. And then I'll give it a torch. Okay, let's give it a torch and see what it's doing. Wow, that turned out beautiful. I sure hope those colors are showing as sharp on the video as I see here, because it is just awesome. I'm really glad I did this as an 18 by 24. Alright everybody, there is the iridescent Arteza 10 pack. That's what, 7 of the colors down, and it just looks awesome. Thanks everyone for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Come back and watch another video. Thanks everyone.